Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because I'm gonna do unboxing and installing my brand new wig from Wigshe. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know that this is not my first time with Wigshe. I have tried one of their hair toppers in the past and I absolutely loved it. So this time around, when Wigshe reached out to me and asked me to send me another piece, I was absolutely thrilled and I had to say yes. Okay, so let's open it up together. So first of all, Wigshe always does such an amazing job with the packaging. Look at this cute pink box and let's open it up and see what's inside. So inside you'll get this satin bag and you'll find the wig safely placed inside. You'll also get a thank you card. This is so sweet. And you'll also get a wig grip. So this is very helpful if you don't want your wig to be sliding around and if you want your wig to stay in place. Okay, so here's the wig. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. So this is the wig that I got. This one is 22 inches long and look how thick the hair is. This one is their wig number 086, but I've made some changes to it. So I've asked Wigshe if they could add some money pieces. You'll see in a minute. And also I've asked them if they could lift the highlights a bit higher, and they've absolutely nailed it. Like, I love the transition. I love everything about this wig. It has this beautiful warm lowlights and highlights. It has so much dimension, you guys. So this one is Remy human hair. So the hair is so soft, so silky. It's just so stunning. Okay, so this is the cap construction. This wig is a lace front wig. It has closed wefts at the back and an extended nape. Normally their wigs come with combs, but I've asked them if they could replace the combs with some clips for added security. That's just what I preferred. So they've nailed it. The quality is just so amazing. I have bought some pretty expensive wigs in the past. We're talking way expensive. And I feel that Wigshe wig is way better for the fraction of the price. So one thing I love about Wigshe is how customizable everything is. So I've sent them my measurements and their medium-sized cap fits me like a glove. But you can choose anything from the length, the color, the cap construction, the density, you name it. You can even decide if you want clips or combs. They can do everything. So I've asked for a fully bleached knots and the hairline is pre-plucked and you can part the hair anywhere you like because of the lace front, and the scalp looks super realistic too. And compared to a lot of my other wigs, this one is thick from the roots all the way down to the ends. Some wigs tend to get super thin at the bottom, but not this one. And quick shout out to Wigshe for stepping up their color game. They had some color discrepancies in the past, but they've improved so much since then. And you will be sure that once you send them a photo of the color that you like, that they will match it perfectly. And they have a production time. Mine took somewhere between 2 to 3 weeks to be completed. And once the wig is completed, they will send you a photo for your approval and then ship it to you. So that's amazing. So now let's start installing this wig. First, I would trim the lace. Then I would braid my hair into braids and pin them to lay flat against my head so I don't end up with that awkward bump in the back. And then I will glue the lace to melt into my skin with my favorite got to be glued hairspray. So let's get started. So here are the braids. They don't have to be perfect. And now we're gonna cut the lace. I love it. Like, nobody's gonna know that you are wearing a wig. And look how thick this wig is, you guys. I'm gonna just turn around real quickly for you to see the length. It is honestly just so perfect. This is straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to the wig and it looks amazing. And as you can see, it can easily be tied into a ponytail due to the clip that I've added here. It adds way more security, for me at least. I love it. I love everything about this wig. From the money pieces. I love the dimension. Like, look at this color. They've done an amazing job. So thank you so much, Wigshe. Okay, so the lace is now cut, and the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with this got to be glued hairspray and gel, but this is completely optional. Like, look how well this lace melts with your own skin, even without gluing it. So this is just an extra step that I like to do for added security, but like I said, you can just put the wig on and don't worry about a thing. You can add the wig rib below this wig and it will stay in place. So this is how the wig looks once it's installed, and it's undetectable. You guys, it's amazing, and the quality is, I cannot recommend Wigshe enough. Also, what I love about them is their customer support. Like, they are so responsive and they make sure that you're happy with every little detail along the way. So thank you for that. So I will make sure to leave everything in the description box down below for you guys, including the link to my new wig. Since it's custom made, I've added some changes to it. I will have a new number and a new link to my new wig. I also have a discount code for you guys to save some money. Feel free to use my code and hope to see you in my next video.